Hello students, let's continue the next question. Question number 3. What we have, find the number of solution of pair of equation these. So we can see the first equation is what? X plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0, and second equation is what? Negative 3x negative 6y plus 1 equal to 0. So to find the number of solution of these, so again we can use the same property. First we'll do a1 upon a2. a1 is 1, a2 is negative 3, so this is negative 1 over 3. Then b1 over b2, so 2 upon negative 6, which is also negative 1 over 3. And finally c1 upon c2, which is 5 over 1, which is only 5. So very clearly we can see that which condition is satisfying. a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2. So this is a condition of what? No solution. Okay, so what they are asking, number of solution of pair of this equation, the number of solution will be what? The 0 means answer will be what? No solution. Let's see the next question, number 4. What they're telling, given the linear equation this, to write another linear equation in two variables such that geometrical representation of pairs of form is parallel line. What is the meaning of the parallel line? Parallel line means no solution, and no solution means what? This condition must be satisfied. So already we can see that one equation already given, 3x plus 4y minus 8 equal to 0. So another equation we have to write such that the pair should have what? The no solution, because they're telling geometrical representation is what? Parallel line. So we have to write another answer, another solution, another equation such that these conditions satisfying. Okay, so here for example I'm writing 5x. Okay, so the ratio will be what here? 3 by 5. Okay, so another you can take the number such that ratio should be also 3 by 5. Okay, so here very clearly you can see that the 4x is there, or just what you can do, we want the ratio to be equal, so just take x and y coefficients same and take the actually the constant term the different one. So if we're taking like this, we can see 3 by 3 1, 4 by 4 1, 8 by 11 is not 1. Okay, so this is one of the possible answer, and from that we can write other answer also. You can multiply entire equation with any random number. For example, I'm multiplying by 2, so 3 to 6x, 2 4 8y, and multiplying this by 2, so 22 equal to 0. So we can understand these and these is also no solution, because 3 by 6 is 1 by 2, 4 by 8 is also 1 by 2, but minus 8 by 22 is not 1 by 2. Okay, so this is these are the possible the answers. So we can write infinite equation like that. Now see the next question, number 5. Find whether the following pair of linear equation is consistent or inconsistent. So already I told before what is the meaning of consistent. If solution exists, it is called consistent, and if solution does not exist, it is called inconsistent. The first equation is what? 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. If I am writing this in standard form, 8 we can transfer on other side, so it will become negative 8. And second equation, 6x minus 4y equal to 9. So 6x minus 4y minus 9 equal to 0. Okay, so again if we comparing with our standard form, what is a1? 3, what is b1? 2, what is c1? Negative 8, right? a2 is what? 6, b2 is negative 4, and c2 is negative 9. So a1 over a2 is what? 3 over 6, which is half. Then b1 over b2, 2 over negative 4, which is negative half. Now we should not worry about c1 and c2 in this case. Okay, because they are asking what is the question, system is consistent or inconsistent, and very clearly we can see that what we got here, a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, right? a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, so hence we know this is a condition of unique solution. Okay, so hence given system has a unique solution. The given system has unique solution, therefore you can say system is what consistent. That's all. I hope this is clear. Now say question number 6. Find the value of k for which these lines are coincides. Okay, now what is the meaning of coincide line? One line above another line means infinite many solution, right? So again I am writing both equation in standard form. So I will transfer 3 on that side. So it will become what? 5x plus 7y minus 3 equal to 0, right? And the second equation what? Transfer k that side. So 15x plus 21y minus k equal to 0. Okay. So again, if I'm comparing with standard form, now what they're telling, these both line coincides and find the value of k. So what is the meaning of coincides? One line above another. So infinite many solution. So infinite many solution, what are the condition? A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. So A1 is 5, A2 is 15, B1 is 7, this is 21, negative 3 and negative k. So this is 1/3, this is also 1/3 and this is 3 by k. We can equate any two. Okay, so I can write 1 by 3 is equal to 3 over k, cross multiply. So k answer what we'll get? K1k and 339. So final answer what it will be? K is equal to 9. See the next question now, number 7. X is equal to a and x equal to b is the solution of this equation. So x is equal to a and x equal to b is solution of this equation, means I can just replace x and y with a and b in this both equation. So if you putting x and y as a and b, this will become a minus b is equal to 2. A minus b is equal to 2. This is the first equation. And second, what I am putting, here put a and b. So a plus b is equal to 4. So basically what we need to do, we need to solve this equation to find the value of a and b. Now if I want to solve this equation, I can follow any method. Okay, either I can use elimination method or I can follow substitution method also. So for example, if I want to use here elimination method, directly we can eliminate b and b, right? Because minus b plus b will get eliminated. So a plus a will be 2a and 2 plus 4 will become 6. So both side divide by 2. So what will be the answer? 6 over 2, which is 3. Now these we can put any of the equation. Either you put in first equation or you put in second equation. That is your choice. For example, I am putting in second equation. A plus b is equal to 4. So a equal to 3, b we don't know. So basically what is the b answer? 3 will transfer that side. So 4 minus 3 answer will be what? 1. Okay, so hence what is the answer? The solution 3 and 1 ordered pair. Now continue question number 8. What we have, if system of equation has unique solution, find the value of k. So same story, whenever you are coming across this kind of question, first you write equation in standard form. So what I will do, 6x minus 2y, 3 will transfer that side. So this is actually will become the negative 3, right? And the second equation, what kx minus y, 2 will go that side, will become negative 2 equal to 0. Okay, so this having unique solution. What is the condition of unique solution? A1 over A2 is not equal to B1 over B2, right? What is A1 A2? Coefficient of x. So this is a 6 over k is not equal to B1 B2, which is negative 2 over negative y. So 6 over k is not equal to 2 over 1, right? Just cross multiply. So 2k is not equal to 6. The final answer what? K not equal to 3. Okay, this is the final answer. K not equal to 3. Next question number 9. What the telling, for what value of k the given pair of linear equation have infinitely many solutions? So already you can see. Now listen, before starting the question, first of all make sure equations are written in standard form. Okay, first x term, then y term, then constant term. Here also x term, y term, constant term, and right hand side 0. That is a good habit. Okay, so now see, infinite many solution, the conditions already you guys know. A1 over a2 is equal to b1 over b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Now what is a1 coefficient of x in the first equation, which is what given k? What is a2 coefficient of x in second equation, which is given 12? b1 coefficient of y in the second equation 3, and b2 this is k. What about c1? So this will treat as a constant term, so the negative of k minus 3, write down as it is. Okay, and here what is there? The negative k. So like that, in the next step I can eliminate negative, right? So what will happen? K over 12 is equal to 3 over k, negative eliminate, so this. So we can equate any two result. For example, I am equating the first two. So k over 12 equal to 3 over k, cross multiply, so k into k square, and 12 3 36. So what are the possible value of k if you taking square root plus or minus 6, right? Because 6 square 36 minus 6 square 36. So till now we got two answers, two values of k we got, 6 and negative 6. But we have to actually the cross check whether these values are satisfying or not. So now I am equating the second and actually the third statement. So 3 over k is equal to k minus 3 over k. Again we can cross multiply. So k times k minus 3 is equal to 3 times k is 3k. So according to distributive property, k square minus 3k, and 3k will transfer that side, so negative 3k. So what will happen? K square minus 6k, right? And we can factorize. What we can take common here? K common, so bracket k minus 6. So these two product is 0, so either k will be 0 or k minus 6 will be 0. So here k will get positive 6. So now we can conclude, okay, that of course k0 is not possible because the division by 0 error will occur. And from this result the common value is what? Of course it is positive 6, right? The final answer is what? Only 6. And now we can cross check by putting the value. See, if I am putting here k is equal to the 6, so we can understand the 6 by 12 is half. Here if I am putting k is equal to 6, 3 by 6 is also half. Here I put k is equal to 6, the 6 minus 3 is 3, and k equal to 6, the 3 by 6 is also half. All are coming same. A1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. That's why this is the final answer. Okay, so we should always check like this. Okay, if any the confusion is there, again see this question one more time. Okay, and after that if any doubt is there, feel free to ask in comment section. Now see question number 10, same type of question again. Okay, now this time two unknowns are there. Determine the value of a and b for which of the following system of equation has infinite solution. So first we will write in standard form. So you can see what we are, 2x minus a minus 4y, right? This thing is there, and these will treat entire thing as one term, transfer other side, so that will become minus of 2b plus 1. Similarly, second equation, what, 4x minus a minus 1y, and these you can consider as a one term, the constant term. This is positive, other side negative, which is 5b minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so now this system again having what? Infinite solutions. Find the unknown. So again same story, infinite solutions. What are the condition of infinite solution? A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. What is A1? 2, A2 4, B1 negative of A minus 4, B2 negative of A minus 1, C1 negative of 2b plus 1, and C2 negative of 5b minus 1. 2 over 4 is half. Here negative can be eliminated, so only this much. Here also negative can be eliminated. Okay, so finally what will happen? We can equate any two. So for example, first I am equating the first two. So 1 over 2 is equal to a minus 4 divided by a minus 1. Just cross multiply. So 2 times a minus 4 is equal to a minus 1. So according to distributive property, 2 times a is 2a minus 2 times 4 is 8 is equal to a minus 1, right? So a will get transferred that side, so positive a will become negative a, this negative 1 don't touch, and negative 8 will become other side positive 8. Okay, so 2a minus a is a, and minus 1 plus 8 will give you what? 7. This is the value of a. Same thing we can equate now first and the last to get a b value. So half is equal to 2b plus 1 divided by 5b minus 1. Again we can cross multiply. So 5b minus 1 into 1 is just 5b minus 1, and 2 times 2b plus 1. So again according to distributive property, 2 to 4b and 2 1 2. So 5b as it is, 4b will go that side, so negative 4b, plus 2 as it is, minus 1 will go that side, so plus 1. So 5b minus 4b is b, and 2 plus 1 answer is 3. So b value what we will get like this, 3. Okay, so just one actually condition is there that we have to remember, then we have to just keep simplifying. Okay, now next is what, question number 11 and 12. Okay, 11 again I will explain one more, because that is the actually the different the condition, and 12th question I am leaving on you have to try this question yourself, and answer you can just confirm in the comment section. Okay, now let's continue the next question number 11. So what we have, for what value of k this system has no solution. The first is what, 3x plus y equal to 1, which we can write 3x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, and the second equation, 2k minus 1x plus k minus 1y, 2k minus 1x plus k minus 1y, and these entire it as a actually one term. So 2k plus 1 will go that side, will become negative of 2k plus 1, right, is equal to 0. Now what is the condition of no solution? So no solution condition is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. Okay, what is a1? So coefficient of x is 3, a2 2k minus 1, b1 1, b2 k minus 1 is not equal to c1 is what, the negative 1, and c2 is negative of 2k plus 1. So we can equate the first two value, first two expression, 3 over 2k minus 1, 1 over k minus 1. Okay, now just cross multiply. So 3 times k minus 1 and 2k minus 1 into 1 is 2k minus 1. So again according to distributive property, 3k minus 3 equal to 2k minus 1. Just collect the like term on both sides. So on the one side, so this is a positive 2k, other side negative 2k, negative 1 don't touch, this is a negative 3, other side positive 3. So 3k minus 2k is k, and minus 1 plus 3 will be 2. So what is the answer here? 2. And 2 if you put here, of course we can say that here these both will satisfy only, and if you put 2 here, so 2 minus 1 is 1, so you'll get 1 over 1 is 1. Okay, and here if you put the k is equal to 2, 2 to 4 plus 1 5, the 1 and 1 over 5 is of course not equal, so other condition also satisfying. Okay, so final answer is what we can conclude, k is equal to 2. That's all.